Did you know that because of the number of students, it was important to have offices all located in the middle floor of the building? Let's go inside. As you can see, the main principal is located centrally.
Also, you'll find some large conference rooms, such as this, in our main office for additional meeting spaces. Finally, important areas like the nurses' space can be found in this area.
This is the first office you see when you walk in through the main doors, and it does get very busy. In the mornings we have several sign-ins, students coming in late, we sign them in, we get them to class, and at the end of the day, it's the opposite. We have lots of sign-outs, kids leaving for the day, going to appointments and whatnot, and we have several staff members that come in throughout the day, and they have lots of questions, we give them the answers, and we also help them in any way that we can. I would like to say thank you to our community. If it wasn't for the community of Brunswick, we wouldn't be in this beautiful school. It is a beautiful state-of-the-art building, and it is very efficient now that we have our offices and all of our buildings all in one building. And it's great to be able to see all the kids come together and all the teachers and staff.